If you don't like boring facts but still want to impress your friends, then watch this. Let's dive into some unbelievable facts. Did you know there's a shrimp called the mantis shrimp that can punch with the force of a bullet? And get this, a single punch can shatter aquarium glass. Next up, there's a fruit called black sapote, also known as the chocolate pudding fruit. It's like eating dessert straight from a tree. Oh, and did you know honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still edible. And here's a mindbender, bananas are berries but strawberries aren't. How wild is that? So next time you want to wow your friends, drop these mind-blowing facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.